What's up, my fan lovers? Welcome back. And this is a 42-inch Hampton Bay landmark ceiling fan. Now, surprisingly, the other two fans I showed you, I didn't put up myself. But this one right here, I put up myself. And I'm pretty darn proud of myself. Alright, this is the 42-inch landmark Hampton Bay ceiling fan. 5 blades, bite kit, got the curly bulbs inside. Now let's see how this thing operates. 5 reversible white and oak blades. It got a little rock to it, but I'm gonna try to fix that as fast as I can. Making a little noise. Turn this down. Not doing that much shaking. Turn off the light. And there you have it.
What you doing?
I know you opened the door with the knife. But anyway, that's my girlfriend being a hoot nanny. But anyway, I will see y'all later. Goodbye.